Hello. If you're planning to write your NACOSCI or MCC QE2 exam, this video is for you. In these three books, we've thought of everything for you. I'm going to introduce each book in detail so you get a better idea how these books are going to help you in your preparation process. Number one is our history-taking book. In this history-taking book, we have prepared mnemonics for you which helps you to present and prepare for the exam. In history-taking, one of the very first essential things you need to know is how to remember all those questions. I'm going to give you an example. If you get a question in psychiatric station, a patient coming with depression, coming with psychosis, or any other psychiatric presentations like anxiety, let's say, is there any way that I can remember what questions to ask? Well, there should be a way, or we thought it for you. So we're going to give you a mnemonic with the pictures. Not only that, we've also prepared the questions for you. Like, what is the best and easiest way to ask these questions? Because the right way of asking will save you time in each station. You don't want to be asking like too many questions in order to get one piece of information. You just want to ask the right question. In our physical examination book, we thought to ourselves, what is the best way and the most practical way of writing a book, which could serve the purpose? We first started going from A, B to Z of all the examinations. For example, if you're doing a shoulder examination, what are the steps? Let me give you an example. One of the steps that we need to do in examination, for example, we're going to do the special test of the shoulder. So what we needed for that was we need the right instruction to the patient, which could be demonstrated in the book by the right picture. So what you need to do is just open the book, read the instruction, and perform it on the patient. Could it be any easier? I don't think so. This is the easiest way you can do a good physical examination of the patient. Everything has been pictured for you with the right instruction. I think you got it all now. This book is even more interesting. You know why? Because we had to look at all the MCC objectives to see what they are potentially going to ask you. So it's a kind of reverse engineering of the whole material. In this book, we first started with the most likely scenarios based on the presentations. Let's say we have a presentation of infertility. How could potentially a patient present in an OSCE station with the infertility? So we mentioned the most likely scenario there. After that, we explained how to take the right history from that. So these are very specifically designed for a specific case. Then after that, we actually mentioned what are the investigations they might potentially ask you. And then at the end, what is the right management for them? So by going from the very first presentation and the most likely scenario, we thought of everything for you. So you just need the very high yield number of cases that are mentioned in this book to succeed in this exam. This exam is not difficult. We even made it more practical for you. In our online courses, we prepare you for all these cases. The way it works is you're going to join online. We have a one-on-one discussion on all these cases. And then we tell you what is your weakest area and how to improve it. If you're missing a question, if you're probably missing a step that you should have done, we're there to help you. We just make sure that you get the best score possible. We've done it for years. We're going to do it again with you. Join us for the online courses.